Look, the automotive world just got put on absolute notice. Seriously, forget everything you thought you knew about luxury off-roading because the 2027 Mercedes Titan 6x6 is here to completely rewrite the laws of physics and prestige. This isn't just another SUV, it's a total revolution. We're looking at a $2.5 million luxury fortress on 6 wheels that looks like it belongs in a high-budget sci-fi blockbuster rather than your neighbor's driveway. Is this the ultimate game changer, or is it just way too much for the road? Today, we're peeling back the carbon fiber and titanium to see if the Titan is actually the king of the future, or just the world's most expensive flex. The silhouette on this thing? It's unmistakable. It's a towering monument to engineering excess. When you see this thing slicing through the air, it's got this terrifying grace. The Titan features a hyper-extended wheelbase supported by 3 massive portal axles. Mercedes is calling this monolithic design language, and honestly, it makes every other SUV on the road look like a literal toy. We've got carbon fiber wide-body arches that house custom 22-inch forged wheels, all wrapped in 37-inch all-terrain rubber. And check out the front. The signature Panamericana grille doesn't just sit there, it breathes. Those vertical slats are backlit with a futuristic amber glow that actually pulses like a heartbeat. Every single line on this body has a tactical job. See these? These are active aero flaps in the front bumper that adjust at highway speeds to cut down on drag, because apparently even a 6-wheeled tank needs to be fuel efficient. From the roof-mounted LED bar that literally turns night into day to the tungsten carbide skid plates, this is a masterpiece of survivalist luxury. It's less of a car and more of a digital command center for the end of the world. But let's be real, can you actually park this thing at a grocery store? You step inside and that rugged, industrial, tough guy exterior, it just vanishes. Suddenly, you're in a sanctuary of opulence that makes most private jets look like economy class. The cockpit is a breathtaking mix of glass, Alcantara, and Napa leather, but the star of the show is the Hyper Titan display. It's a pillar-to-pillar curved sheet of glass housing 3 8K OLED screens. This isn't just a dashboard, it's your command center. You've got real-time terrain telemetry, weather patterns, and even a drone-fed scouting view, so you can see what's over the next hill before you climb it. Now, let's talk about the back seat, because this is where the Titan earns that fortress title. These aren't just seats, they're airline-style reclining thrones. We're talking hot stone massage, biometric climate control that knows if you're sweating, and active noise cancellation that silences those massive tires. You could be forging a river, and it would be library quiet inside. Look up, and you've got a starlight roof that mimics the constellations using fiber optics. Is this a car, or is it a 5-star hotel suite that just happens to cross deserts? Honestly, it makes a standard G-Wagon feel like a budget rental. Under that muscular hood lies a beast just begging to be let loose. The Titan is packing a hand-built 4-liter bi-turbo V8, but that's only half the story. It's paired with a high-output tri-motor hybrid system, cranking out a shocking 1,000 horsepower and over 1,200 pound-feet of torque. This is where engineering becomes pure emotion. Now, this thing weighs over 6,000 pounds, but it roars intelligently. The 6-wheel drive system can send power to any individual wheel in milliseconds. It'll climb a vertical incline like a mountain goat, and then, on the asphalt, it'll sprint to 60 in just 3.8 seconds. That is sports car territory in a 6-wheeled tank. And thanks to rear-wheel steering and an active kinetic suspension, it actually stays flat in the corners. It handles with a precision that honestly shouldn't be possible for something this big. Can any rival, I'm looking at you, Cybertruck or Hummer EV, really challenge this level of mechanical and electric synergy? Innovation is the Titan's DNA. Mercedes dropped the Aegis Driver Assist Suite here, which is basically military-grade tech for civilians. We're talking triple redundant LiDAR, thermal imaging, and sensors that can see through a sandstorm or total darkness. This system doesn't just watch the road, it predicts what's coming next. Then there's G-turn 2.0, which lets this giant pivot on its own axis like a tank. And if things get really sketchy, you've got fortress mode. It seals the air filtration against chemical threats and engages electromagnetic door locks. Plus, the battery tech is the new solid-state stuff, lighter, safer, and way more energy dense. It's not just about getting to your destination, it's about making sure you actually arrive, no matter what the world throws at you. Is this the SUV Toyota and Land Rover are losing sleep over? It feels like Mercedes didn't just build a car, they built a shield for the future. So where does the Titan sit in the food chain? At $2.5 million, it's in a league way above a Rolls-Royce Cullinan or a Lambo Urus. It's for the modern pioneer, the person who wants total security but refuses to give up an ounce of luxury. The competition is, well, there isn't much. While everyone else is building electric city cars, Mercedes is betting big on the ultimate expedition rig. It's a statement of total dominance in a world that's getting more unpredictable by the day. At the end of the day, the 2027 Mercedes Titan 6x6 is way more than a status symbol. It's a visionary leap into the future of how we move. It's raw, unfiltered power mixed with the most insane tech ever put on a chassis. It's the ultimate statement of freedom, proving you can take the comforts of home into the most brutal environments on Earth. It's a beast, it's a sanctuary, and it's a six-wheeled work of art. Don't forget to subscribe to RPM Royals for more cinematic reviews of the cars shaping tomorrow, today. We're your front row seat to the future of the road. So, what's it going to be? That 1,000 horsepower hybrid or the 80K digital sanctuary? Let's talk about it in the comments below.